Don't hit me.
It's a happy woman right there. She's got a new irrigation system, slinging that grass. It's one thing I've always liked about Katie. And a shadow.
Yeah, can I ride your bike? No. You could ride my bike. Really? Yeah. If you want to. Brody, if you're not using, Brody, if you're not riding your bike.
Grass is nice and thick through here already. This area is where it needs to go. Need to do up there some more.
You look outstanding.
Did y'all set that?
No? Set what?
This is a very active, bubbly leaven that I set out last night on the counter, and I just make a batter that is thicker than pancake batter, but not as thick as bread dough. And to that, I am adding 2 eggs. I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt, about 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm also going to add some milk just to get it thinned out to more of a pancake batter consistency. So all of these measurements, I'm just eyeballing them. I don't have an exact measurement to share with you, but if you look up sourdough pancakes, you can get a exact measurement recipe. I've been eyeballing my pancakes for years, and they always turn out beautiful and delicious. With your pancake batter, you just want to make sure that your sourdough is really active and bubbly, and then it is going to be stringy when you mix it. You just want to mix it until it's all well incorporated, and it just takes a few minutes of that. I've got just 2 more ingredients to add to this right now on the stove. My butter is melting in a little cast iron skillet, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of my baking soda to this, just to give it a little bit more liveliness, a little bit more bubbly and rise to my pancakes. And then there is about 4, if you're doing a single recipe of this, but I have about 8 tablespoons of butter going in there. We like our pancakes full of healthy fats, and my kids don't prefer putting butter on top of the pancakes, so I just add extra butter inside of the pancakes, and they still come out light, fluffy, and so delicious. All right, we always want to restart our griddle, get it warming up really good. I always start it at medium and just keep it at medium. And then once it's nice and hot, I take it down to low.
Y'all want an egg with your pancakes, like a little egg pancake sandwich? Big boys, y'all want some protein? Y'all don't want a fried egg?
I don't want butter on
Butter on what?
my pancake.
Your pancake?
Yeah.
Okay.
I say that.
Do you want syrup or jelly? I got plum jelly.
So wasn't plum jelly.
Plum jelly?
Yeah. It's so what?
Okay.
I just like the
Yeah, flying like a pterodactyl. Hey, you two. What's going on over there? Y'all come eat. And stop arguing and just do what he wants you to, okay? With his body and what he wants with his watch. Son, get your food because she's got to Zoom and we gotta go. Bodhi, just get up, please, and come in here. Okay, I went into town to take Riker to his mountain bike practice and ran into the grocery store real quick because when in Rome, go to the grocery store. And I did. So now I've got some food to share with you in a haul. So let me share you exactly what I got from the grocery store this week. Okay, we've got new diet guidelines in the household, so we're shopping accordingly. Back here we've got our dairy products. 3 things of sour cream. They had this whole milk plain kefir on sale. I should have grabbed all the ones that they had, but I couldn't see the sell-by dates on any of them. I guess it was like on the 14th, so that was a few days ago. It's still good though. My dad would say this is good for the next year, and he would probably drink it after it's expired for a year. So yeah, that's yogurt in my dad's house. And he proved it to me one day. He ate a yogurt that was over a year expired, and he's still alive. So we got this one, and like I said, it looked good. So I'm going to add this to the kids' smoothies, and that's going to get them some extra probiotics and live cultures in their guts. And then for myself, I'm not doing the best at being dairy-free, but I got this cashew and coconut yogurt alternative. It's the same. It's like a kefir. And then these 2 kefirs, I need to grab grains and just start making my own because I do like to buy it from the store. It's yummy. I used to make it, and then I always end up putting the grains in the fridge and not feeding them or keeping them alive. They die. And we've done water kefir, milk kefir, all the kefirs, and it's good. We just have to keep up with it. Or, oh, sorry, for the purists out there, kefir. Gotta say it right. It's kefir. I'm going to get scolded, and you're going to put parentheses in the comments and tell me how to say it right. 2 things of chocolate milk. This is good for after workouts and stuff for the kids and after bike rides and things like that. Give them some chocolate milk. 2 onions. I'm going to cook these up with some meat. So I just got the onions for taco meat and things like that for the kids. Maybe some chili or taco soup. I'm kind of feeling like chili or taco soup this week, so we'll see. Got some buns for the hot dogs that we got, and 3 of these Caesar salad kits. Those are yummy and easy for the kids. The girls like to make those. We grabbed 1 bag of grapes, 2 red peppers, 4 cucumbers to make cucumber pickles with apple cider vinegar. Another one of these bags of potatoes. I like to cook up a whole bag of potatoes for a dinner, and this is 3-pound bag. So we'll have those one night this week. I still have some left over from last week. I think I got 2 bags last week. Gone through half of them, so I'll use the rest of those with these to make a big old sheet pan of potatoes with Redmond's real salt, because seasoned salt, Redmond's seasoned salt. Check out my link down below in this video's description for the Redmond's seasoned salt and their real salt. You get the best deal on the internet with my link, so check that out. I grabbed a chuck roast. We are running low on our quarter cow that we got a few months back, so we're supplementing with store meat until we get another cow, if we get another cow or portion of a cow. So grab the chuck roast. Aaron just made this prime rib roast tonight. It looks amazing. So he made that while I was out. Prime rib. No, sorry. It's not a prime rib roast.
Tip roast.
Sirloin tip roast. So it's a lean roast. Not what I said the first time.
I wish it was prime rib.
I know, it would have been good if it was prime rib. Oh, it still is really good. It's actually really good. With some extra salt, it's tasty. 2 things of ketchup. We're running out of ketchup. Hold on, how do I say ketchup?
It's ketchup.
It's ketchup, not ketchup. 6 pounds of beef. We'll cook 2 of these at a time and usually have some left over for the next day. And then 4 packs of the bun length Nathan's hot dogs. Got those for the kiddos, and 2 packs will go in the freezer. 1 pack we'll eat tonight. Not we. They'll eat 1 pack tonight, and then the other 3 will go in the freezer, and we'll have those another day. And then I put the extra pack of hot dog buns in the freezer, and we'll have those on a night when we need something quick and easy. 4 packs of the Simple Truth pork sausage links. Those are easy to throw in the air fryer, or I throw them in my cast iron skillet on the stove. And then I freeze dried all our eggs this week, and we ran out of eggs, so I just went ahead and grabbed these because I know in the next 2 days we're getting eggs from the lady down the road, and I wanted to boil some eggs. And sometimes the store-bought eggs boil a lot better for me, the white eggs do, and maybe it's superstition, but we went ahead and grabbed those to boil up, and we're gonna make some pickled eggs with some beet juice from the beet can. And then I needed a new strainer for my sink. So that's everything we got here today.